Still in.
You know who my favorite non-pro women's player is?
Who?
Guess.
Non-pro women's player?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Take a guess.
I don't even know if I know any.
Miranda.
Oh.
Because she's so physical. It's crazy. Isn't it? You remember how she used to just knock people down? Just like,
Go.
Run through it, run through it, run through it.
You can get it, baby. Stay with it, Taylor.
Hit it.
Yeah.
Oh, good work, Taylor. Excellent. That's it.
Pass, Summer.
corner. We're calling it.
Huh?
We're calling it. Corner.
Taylor was trying to go Red's going this way. Taylor
I could be linesman on that side.
just lost the ground.
That should have been an easy thing for that goalie to handle. This is a small field.
It's tiny.
It's about the width of a U12. Nah, U12. Nah.
It's the same.
Shake it off. Shake it off.
Coach Catherine just need to call it short.
Exactly. Like we do, because we can't exactly get it in there yet.
Play where you face. Pass.
Be there.
Here's a ball.
India's on the left side now. Turn. Touch. Oh.
Fred. Let's go. Get open.
Come on. See the ball. Shoot.
I would just shoot.
Drop.
I was on the 8.
Oh. Accelerate. Good.
Little chippy
Nice try, Haley.
Yep.
How many
This
minutes?
is how you looked yesterday.
Let's go, Red. You're looking good.
What?
Try.
Chippy passes and
Those work sometimes, don't they?
very rarely, Keenan. It works a whole lot more.
But let's say a guy's on your back. You need to play that ball, and it's like right there. And somebody plays you a nice firm ball. You could go.
Yeah, those kids are just playing out there. They're just having fun. That's what they're doing. You want to go play? Good job. Go ahead.
Hey, take him with you.
No.
Yeah, y'all go play. Have fun. Well, you don't have to know anybody to play sports. You just go say, hey, can I play? You just go play.
Nice.
Let's go, Ellie.
Hit it. Yeah. Too late. Drop. There you go.
Ollie, Mike. Oh.
Ooh, good try.
Nice try, girls. Way to go.
They had a girl
Way to go,
like
everybody.
Ryan on their team
Keep the pressure up.
that just gets those chips.
See how India did it out? You missed it.
Hey, what's your name?
Keenan.
What, Keenan? Emma. Take Keenan with you. You want to go with Emma?
Yeah,
Go to
take her over there and see what's going on. Walk
man.
over for an escort.
You
Take her
guys
over.
she
Take
needs
her over.
escort. Lady
Yeah,
needs
yeah,
escort.
she need an escort. Take her over there. All right? Okay.
Be the man. And,
Yeah, check it out. Check out the scene.
That's right.
Make sure they're cool. Oh, touch the ball. Drop. Nice passing. Come on, move it again.
Okay. open, look middle.
Don't let it out.
Get open, cut the middle.
Run through it. If this was a date, I think he'd be failing.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's okay. Emma, they're both of them are like, oh
And
my gosh, what is this dad doing? I just know she gets bored. I say, go play.
right.
Halftime already? That was a quick half.
Yep.
We're just playing 35. It's just 35.
It looked like about 38 to me,
Oh,
somewhere
okay.
around there. I don't know what he was doing.
They must be thinking